How the Sankey diagram helps AI developers. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. 1. Understanding data flow. Visualizes how forecast trends influence different strategies and implementation methods. Help AI developers identify key decision points in adaptive learning and analytics. 2. Optimizing AI models. Shows the relationship between data-driven decision-making and AI-based learning approaches. Help fine-tune AI models for real-time dashboards, assessments, and feedback loops. 3. Enhancing personalization. Links personalized learning strategies with AI-based adaptive learning. Guides AI-driven mentorship, coaching, and gamification for enhanced user engagement. 4. Improving performance metrics. AI developers can leverage continuous assessment and feedback mechanisms to enhance system intelligence. Helps in optimizing AI models for curriculum and resource allocation. Use case in AI development. AI developers can train models based on Sankey diagram insights. Helps in predictive analytics by linking historical trends with AI decision-making frameworks. Guides automation strategies in AI-driven education and business intelligence. AI implementation plan based on Sankey diagram insights. This AI implementation plan is designed to enhance forecast-based decision-making and performance improvement strategies using AI-driven models. 1. Data collection and pre-processing. Pushpin objective: gather relevant data for forecasting trends and strategy optimization. Small blue diamond data sources. Historical performance trends. Real-time student assessments. AI model training datasets. Industry research reports. Small blue diamond data processing. Data cleansing, removing inconsistencies. Feature extraction for AI training. Normalization for model efficiency. 2. AI model development and training. Pushpin objective: build AI models to support forecast-based strategies. Small blue diamond approach. Use supervised learning for trend prediction. Apply reinforcement learning for adaptive learning models. Implement natural language processing, NLP, for mentorship and coaching automation. Small blue diamond tools and frameworks. TensorFlow/PyTorch for deep learning. Scikit-learn for machine learning models. GPT-based NLP for feedback and interaction. 3. AI-based decision-making system. Pushpin objective: integrate AI into decision-making for teaching methodology enhancements and real-time dashboards. Small blue diamond system components. AI-driven data-driven decision-making, DDDM, module. Real-time dashboards for assessment tracking. AI-powered personalized learning recommendations. Small blue diamond expected benefits. White heavy checkmark faster decision-making with automated insights. White heavy checkmark adaptive learning recommendations based on student performance. White heavy checkmark AI-driven performance analysis for continuous improvement. 4. AI-powered feedback and optimization. Pushpin objective: implement instant feedback loops for curriculum and resource optimization. Small blue diamond methods. AI-based early intervention for students needing improvement. Gamification and rewards through AI-driven engagement models. AI-powered curriculum adjustments based on performance data. Small blue diamond technologies. Reinforcement learning, RL, for personalized learning adjustments. AI-powered assessment analytics for performance tracking. 5. Deployment and continuous improvement. Pushpin objective: deploy the AI system with real-time monitoring and iterative improvements. Small blue diamond deployment strategy. Cloud-based AI model deployment, AWS/GCP/Azure. API-based integration with LMS, learning management systems. User feedback collection for AI model retraining. Small blue diamond continuous improvement. Monitor AI predictions versus actual results. Use AI-driven analytics for trend improvement. Retrain models based on performance data and feedback. Outcome and impact. White heavy checkmark improved forecast accuracy for performance trends. White heavy checkmark AI-powered learning with real-time adaptability. White heavy checkmark enhanced decision-making for education and business intelligence. White heavy checkmark optimized AI strategies using Sankey diagram insights. This Python program 1. Generates forecasted versus actual scores over the years. 2. Uses machine learning, linear regression, to predict trends. 3. Evaluates performance with mean absolute error, MAE. 4. Visualizes forecast versus actual data in a plot. 5. Predicts future scores for 2026 to 2030. The Python program uses machine learning, linear regression, to analyze forecasted versus actual scores over time. It first generates synthetic data from 2015 to 2025, where forecasted and actual scores are randomly assigned. The dataset is split into training and testing sets, with forecasted scores as input, X, and actual scores as output, Y. The model is trained using scikit-learn's linear regression, and its performance is evaluated using the mean absolute error, MAE, metric, which quantifies prediction accuracy. After training, the program visualizes the forecasted versus actual scores in a line chart using Matplotlib, helping users see deviations over the years. It then predicts future scores for 2026 to 2030 using the trained model and prints the results in a data frame. This approach enables trend analysis and forecasting, which is beneficial for AI developers working on predictive analytics, decision-making, and performance improvement strategies. Bar chart video for management to help in Decision Support Systems, DSS, by Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. 1. Performance analysis, comparing forecasted versus actual scores highlights accuracy in predictions, helping in strategic planning. 2. Trend identification, management can spot patterns in forecast deviations and adjust future forecasting models. 3. Budgeting and resource allocation, if actual performance consistently falls short, leaders can reallocate resources to improve outcomes. 4. Data-driven decision-making, enhances decision-making with historical insights, reducing reliance on intuition. 5. Goal setting and KPIs, helps refine key performance indicators, KPIs, for more realistic goal setting. How management can use this diagram for ISO 21001 in the education sector. ISO 21001 is the international standard for educational organizations management systems, EOMS, focusing on improving learner satisfaction and institutional effectiveness. This forecast versus actual performance graph can help management in several ways. 1. Performance evaluation. Compare forecasted versus actual student performance in key subjects or programs. Identify gaps between expected and actual results to improve educational quality. 2. Curriculum effectiveness. Assess whether curriculum changes impact student outcomes positively. Ensure learning objectives align with projected educational standards. 3. Faculty and resource planning. Adjust faculty training and teaching strategies if actual results fall short. Optimize resource allocation for better learning environments. 4. Accreditation and compliance. Demonstrate data-driven decision-making for ISO 21001 certification. Ensure compliance with government and accreditation bodies by tracking performance trends. 5. Student support services. Identify students at risk based on actual performance trends. Enhance support programs like tutoring, mentorship, and career counseling. Python program to generate forecast versus actual performance graphs for the education sector based on ISO 21001 compliance. The program will white heavy checkmark compare forecasted versus actual scores for different years. White heavy checkmark use bar charts for clear visualization. White heavy checkmark use pastel colors as per your preference. White heavy checkmark ensure thick lines and values in 2 decimal places. The program generates a forecast versus actual performance graph for the education sector, aligning with ISO 21001 standards. Pushpin how management can use this graph for ISO 21001. White heavy checkmark performance evaluation, compare forecasted versus actual academic performance. White heavy checkmark data-driven decisions, identify gaps and optimize educational strategies. White heavy checkmark continuous improvement, ensure compliance with ISO 21001 standards. White heavy checkmark institutional benchmarking, track progress over multiple years. The video represents a radial, polar, Graph comparing forecasted versus actual student performance scores from 2016 to 2027. Here's an analysis of what the chart displays. Key observations. 1. Radial layout. The circular nature of the graph represents years spread around a circle. The radial axis represents scores, showing performance trends over time. 2. Two data sets. Forecasted scores, cyan line and markers. These show the predicted performance for each year. Actual scores, orange line and markers. These represent the real student scores for past years. For 2025 to 2027, actual scores are not available, which is why they appear as 0. 3. Interpretation. The cyan, forecasted, line follows a gradual increasing trend. The orange, actual, line fluctuates significantly. The graph highlights gaps between forecasted and actual values, showcasing differences in predicted versus real performance. 4. Title and aesthetics. The title includes Pradeep K. Suri as the author. A dark theme, Plotly_dark, is applied for better visualization. Possible enhancements. Adjust the placement of years to display them around a circle properly. Use dashed lines for forecasted scores to differentiate them. Highlight missing actual data. 2025 to 2027 will come in future. Thank you.